REST parameters in JavaScript. Let's take a look at that. As you can see here, we have one function that gives us the sum of two numbers. And here we are using that function and we are passing 1 and 2 as the numbers. And it is giving us the output as 3. Now, if we want to pass multiple numbers here, what we can do? Suppose 4, then 5. Now let's save this. So as you can see, it is not working accurately or not giving our desired result. So for this case, what we can do? We can use the REST parameters here. For that, we can just simply write here 3 dots and then numbers. Now what will happen here? This function will get all these extra numbers in the form of array. So this numbers array will have the 4 and 5 as the element. Now let's modify our function to add these all numbers. So first what I will do, I will remove these two numbers from here, and now we will get all these numbers in the form of array here. And I will create here one variable that is total 0, and then I will use for of loop. Let number of numbers, and then we can iterate over it and do the sum, and at the end we will return our total. So as you can see here, we have our sum, that is 12, and we can pass as many as numbers we want. Suppose we want to pass here 34, then we can do that as well. So what's happening, it is taking all these numbers here and we are getting these numbers as the array. So REST parameters collect all the arguments into an array, and we are iterating through that array and adding the numbers of that array into one total variable, and then we are returning it over here. That's how we are getting our sum as 46. So this was all about REST parameters in JavaScript. If you have really enjoyed this reel, please share it with your friends, drop a like, and save this video for the future.